Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to invite friends to Yu-Gi-Oh Duel Links so you can duel together anytime. Alright, so here's how it's done. First, open up the app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner and tap on the small icon that looks like a person. That's your profile section. From here, you can tap on friends in the menu that appears. And this will take you to your friends page where you can see your current friends list, pending requests, and search for new friends. To add a new friend, go to the search box and type in your friend's dual ID. Every player in Duel Links has a unique dual ID number. You can ask your friend for their ID or share yours with them. To locate it, just go back to your profile section and click on Duelist ID at the top. From here, you can already see your ID plus your QR code. Now, once you've entered their ID, just tap on the search button and their profile will appear. Then just tap add friend to send a request. After your friend accepts, they'll show up in your friend list so you can start dueling or sharing challenges together right away. And that's it. That's how you invite and add friends in Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!